soon it will be Renee's birthday. I know what that means. A party! Party gathering! A celebration that lasts for days!
That's the spirit. Renee is a pretty important little person. This party needs to be unforgettable.
Couldn't agree more. Goink!
What is coink?
It's our new word. We made it up.
But what does it mean? You can't just rewrite language.
We can. And we did. That's the wonderful thing about coink. It can mean whatever you want it to mean.
You're a coink.
I don't know whether to be insulted. No time for that now. Let's plan Renee's birthday. What about a surprise birthday party?
Yes. Just when Renee thinks every single one of her loved ones has forgotten her birthday, bam! We jump out and holler surprise!
I don't want Renee to think anyone forgot her birthday. Maybe she won't believe that. Maybe she will forget her own birthday and then we will remind her. Who forgets their own birthday? Maybe instead of happy birthday, we should all shout coink.
Pig, stop it.
No matter what we decide, my babies will want to decorate. Thread the beads, thread them on, thread the beads, thread them on, thread the beads, thread them on, thread the beads, thread them on. Of course you can decorate. You did such a lovely job last time.
Is this a surprise party? What did we decide?
Let's make it a surprise. But if there is even a hint that Renee is sad or worried that we forgot her birthday, the plan is off and we tell her about the party.
All right, team. Let's get to it.
You're a coink. No, you are. No, you are. No, you are. No, you. You are. Enough of this coink. This party isn't going to plan itself. Get to work. What are you going to give Renee for her birthday? I was thinking about a doll, or maybe some doll clothes. That's really good. Can the gift be from both of us? Sure. Can you draw a birthday card? I can. Thread the beads, thread them on. Oh, thread the beads, thread them on. Thread them on, thread them on. Thread the beads, thread them on. Thread the beads, thread the beads. Oh, thread the beads, thread the beads. I love beads. Thread the beads, thread them on. For the birthday, thread them on. For Renee, thread the beads. Hey, rude! Where did you learn to be so rude? Scattered beads everywhere. Watch where you're going. We better pick up every last one of our beads. Try the new word. That llama spilled our coink everywhere. Get back here, you coink. Clean up this mess.
Excuse me. Sometimes you just have to coink.
No coinking around our beads, you clumsy thing. My birthday is coming soon, Ranger.
Oh, yeah. That's what birthdays do from time to time. Boy, gee,
What?
coink? I just had an extremely awkward moment with Renee. I don't think she's onto us, but I turned into a babbling fool.
Fortunately, the use of coink distracted her and saved the day.
Get out of my head. Go away.
Don't worry, Ranger. I'll go talk to her. Something is wrong with Ranger. He had some kind of episode just now. He's fine. I just saw him. He was probably thinking about foxes, and you distracted him. Yeah, that's probably all it was. I was just telling him about my birthday. And I would love to hear all about it, but, I hear Mom calling me. I'm coming. Here comes Renee, Dolly. Hide our gift, quick. Hi, Rosie. Hi, Dolly. What have you got there? Hello, Miss Renee. How are you today? Don't believe your lying eyes. There is nothing interesting hidden behind this pink paper. Okay. I'm fine. I just feel like nobody wants to talk about my birthday. Oh, dear. And did that hurt your feelings? Yes, it kind of did. I am excited about my birthday. So, shouldn't the people who love me be excited too? This is falling apart. Reese! Code red! Code red! Rosie. Shh. The thing is, Renee, sometimes people don't realize we need to be listened to. They're just busy. It's not that they don't care. Why don't you talk to Rosie and me about your birthday? Okay. Guess what? I'm going to turn 3. 3? Wow! That's amazing! What would you like to happen on your birthday to make it the best day? Cake, of course. A big one. And friends. And games. Renee, if I had to guess, I think all of those things will happen. I hope so. It's happening, Reese. Renee felt hurt feelings. This is what I was trying to avoid. I have a solution. I think the surprise can happen. It just needs to happen early on the birthday. Ranger, we are having a morning surprise party, not an afternoon surprise party. Spread the word.
Morning surprise party. Pass it on.
Morning surprise party. Pass it on. Morning surprise party. Pass it on. Morning surprise party. Pass it on. Morning surprise party. Pass it on. Coinkity coink. Coink coink. And coink.
What does that mean?
Exactly what I said.
Oh, yes! I speak coink. Morning surprise party, pass it on.
I see some things happening on the farm.
What things?
Well, it looks like they're getting ready for a birthday.
What could we do to ruin it?
We could set a trap. We dig a big hole, cover it in branches and leaves, and when somebody is playing hide and seek, somebody might fall in. Maybe even the birthday girl, or one of the baby bunnies, so they can't go to the party.
Too much work, see? Why don't we just steal the gifts, Kay?
Yes, let's do that.
Good night, little sister. Good night, Reese. Tomorrow is a special day, you know. Oh, really? What's tomorrow? My birthday, Reese. I'm turning 3. Just kidding, Renee. I know that tomorrow is your birthday. Get some sleep, and then tomorrow will come faster. Great idea! She's asleep. Everybody, quietly get to work. Hold it up. Hold it up.
Steady now. Steady. Just a smidgen to the right. Just a smidgen. Hurry up. My ear is squished. The letter T is crooked. Somebody fix the T. Hurry up, I'm slipping.
Would someone please arrange the gifts in the living room? Let's make a nice display.
What happened to the wagon of gifts?
Coink!
Somebody has stolen a whole wagon of coin. Bring our coink back this very instant.
I smell a coyote. He probably stole our gifts.
Can you get the gifts back in time? My man can do anything.
You can count on me, Reese.
And me. I'm going too.
We can do this the easy way or the hard way.
Are you threatening me?
Yes.
I can't say that I have high hopes for the situation, though I choose the easy way. Here's your gifts, stranger. Just take 'em back, no harm done.
I choose the hard way, see?
Scout, watch that fox for me, would you?
Keep still, Fox, if you know what's good for you. Get these gifts back where they belong before sunrise. Oh, everybody knew you didn't give no lip to our ranger.
Wow, that was loud.
Happy birthday, Renee.
You remembered. We sure did, Renee. We are going to celebrate you all day, all week. I love turning 3. Did you remember to like and subscribe? Click the link. Thank you, friend. We appreciate you.